Hello everyone, this is my first video in this channel and today we learn about the set, relation and function. So in this class first I will explain you about the set. What is set? A set is a collection of some well defined element. Suppose if I take a set, a collection of all natural number less than 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So here the rule that I have given that this supposed to be natural number and less than 5. This is the condition. So when the collection will follow some particular rule, then that is called a set. Now the set we can define in different ways. So here what I have written, it is the roster form, and the same set we can represent in the another method, that is suppose x, such that x is belongs to n and x is less than 5. So the same set we represent into different form. This is called the set builder form and that is called the roster form. Now the number of element belongs to the set, that is suppose this is set A, and how many elements are there in the set, that is called its cardinal number, which is 4. Because of there are 4 number of elements are there, so the cardinal number of the set is 4. Now if the collection is finite, suppose the collection of all books in a library, collection of all natural number less than 100. So these are some finite number of collections are there in the set, so it is called a finite set. Now if in a collection there are so many numbers that we cannot finish them by counting, suppose the collection of all stars in the sky, so that is not possible to count all the stars in the sky, so that is the infinite set. Or the set of all natural number starts from 1, but it has infinite number of elements belongs to the set, and that is called the infinite set. Now when two sets are said to be equal set, two sets, suppose here A is a set and another set I am taking suppose B, whose elements are 2, 1, 4, 3. That means both the set A and B contain the same element. They are called equal set. Now another set I am taking suppose A, B, C, D. This set also contain same number of element but not exactly the same element. So here we can't say that C is equal to B or A, but the number of element belongs to the set C is same that of A and B. That means the cardinal number of the set A, B and C are same, then they are called equivalent set. So here we can say that B and C are equivalent but not equal, whereas A and B both are equal as well as equivalent. So if two sets are equal, definitely they should be equivalent, but if the two sets are equivalent, then it is not necessary that they will be equal. Example is this: B and C are equivalent but not equal. Now what is singleton set? If a set contains exactly one element, it is called the singleton set. Suppose the set of natural number less than 2, just only 1. This is the natural number less than 2. So it is a singleton set. The whole number which is not natural. The whole number which is not natural, 0. So this is another singleton set. Now the whole number less than 0 whole number, that is no elements are there, no numbers are there, because of whole number starts from 0, so no such numbers are there less than 0 which is whole, so it is called empty set or null set. So a set which does not contain any element, then it is called empty set or null set. Now what is subset? Suppose a set A, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if I take some set, suppose B is a set whose elements are 1, 2, 3. or C is a set whose elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. Then B and C said to be subset of A. That means the elements of B and C all belongs to the set A. Now, what is proper subset? B is said to be proper subset of A. Why? Because of A contain at least one element more than B. So subset means the set may be equal, but proper subset means at least one element should be there. Suppose B is a proper subset of A. Why? Because of A contain at least one element which does not belong to the set B. But C is a subset of A. Why? Because of exactly same elements of C belongs to A also. But here B also we can say that B is a subset of A, as well as B is a proper subset of A. Universal set. Suppose if I take a collection of all students in our country, this is the universal set. Now these students, they belong to different school. Now the different school, if I form set, then all the school in our country together will form the universal set. In our country, in different state, different number of schools are there. Now if I write all the name of the school, they will form, each school will form a set. Then all together they will form the universal set. And power set. Power set means the set A, what are the possible subsets of A? This collection is called the power set. Suppose by taking the elements of 1, 2, 3 and 4, how many possible subset we can form? This collection is called the power set. Suppose by taking the elements of A, we can form, first is null set. Null set, it is subset of any set. Null set, this phi is subset of A. Then I am taking singleton set 1, 2, 3, 4. Then taking 2, we have 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Last, we will take the whole set A. So collection of all these together, that is called the power set. So if I take just only two elements belongs to this set A, another set, suppose X, the elements are A and B. Now let us see how many subset we can form by the elements of the set X. So null set, then by taking the single element, singleton set A, B, now taking all the elements, that means the set itself. So this collection is the power set of X. So how many elements are there? There are 4 elements. Actually, there is a rule to find out the number of elements belongs to the power set. It is 2 to the power n. N is the number of elements belongs to the set. So here is 2 elements. So 2 to the power 2. That means there are 4 number of elements. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now suppose this set contains one more element A, B, C. Then the number of elements belongs to the power set should be 2 to the power 3, that means 8. So for today's class, after this much I explained, I will try to give the next video which is based on relation and function together. Thank you.